This video is to provide an overview of a flight simulator that was developed running X-Plane 10.21 in a 64-bit mode and running under Linux. And the operating system used was Linux Mint 17 running the overall system, and it's the Cinnamon edition. Now, the overall flight simulator consists of two major parts. One is the cockpit, which was developed to house the flight simulator hardware and to create an overall environment that would be very immersive for the flying. As you'll notice in the internal of the simulator, everything is painted black. This is try to remove the any distractions, such that what your eye will catch is whatever is on any of the displays. It includes track lighting, and the track lighting enables you to turn it on for optimizing the system, working on it, generally looking something up. When you're operating, normally you wouldn't be using that. And here you have the white strips, or LED strips, and it enables white, green, red lighting, and the red enables you to simulate night flying. The simulator includes 2 subwoofers and 8 speakers to try to give a real feeling of flying, and hopefully so that you can feel some vibrations from the system. It also includes a cockpit seat, and this cockpit seat is an automobile seat, a small truck seat that's mounted on a pedestal, and this enables the seat to be moved forward 4 to 6 inches and back, and this enables you to slide into the cockpit, and everything is very simple and easy to reach. You don't have to stretch for anything. As I mentioned, the system is running X-Plane 10 as the flight simulation, and it composed of 3 monitors. These are 3 32-inch TV displays with 1080 resolution. The instrumentation view is provided by a 24-inch LED display, again 1080 resolution. In order to provide flight tracking and planning information, Foreflight running on an iPad connected with X-Plane is used. To operate the overall system, there are 2 computers. The first computer, this is the slave computer here, and you can see the keyboard. The iPad can be mounted on this side or the other side at the other computer. Underneath that, you'll see a small shelf that enables you to use a mouse for that computer to control it. This controls the 3 displays that I mentioned, and it's an AMD 8350 4-core CPU with 8 GB of RAM. The video card is an nvidia GTX 760 video card. The second computer controls the instruments and the instrument panel and the cockpit controls. Now, here's the keyboard for the master computer, and you'll see a space where the iPad can be mounted on this side. You see the little shelf for the mouse, and you see the master computer. The master computer is a Intel Core 2 Duo, which is a 2-core, and it's an E6700. It has 4 GB of RAM, and the video card is an nvidia GTX 650 Ti video card. The audio is switchable. There's a control panel that controls the audio to the speakers from either computer or the iPad, either on the left or the iPad on the right. Now the master computer also controls the controls for the flight simulation, and this simulator uses a CH product flight yoke and a Saitek ProFlight combat rudder pedals. With this system, we're able to achieve frame rate on the outside the cockpit display of 45 to 65 frames per second. The instrument, and this is set with X-plane at the highest possible detail, so that's excellent frame rate. And then on the instrumentation panel, because you don't need to look at that display what's outside, it was set at the absolute minimum detail, and we're able to achieve, with a less power computer and video card, we're able to achieve 35 to 45 frames per second. In a future video, I will have the system operating so you can see it flying.